Hello world, this is John Pinto, your roving realtor at 900 Cambridge Drive, Unit 56 at Benicia Highlands. Let's take a look at this unit on the second floor. You've got bamboo floors throughout, a nice big coat closet, large living room with one of 4 ceiling fans, a very private balcony, very green with a storage area over there, very green, very private, big enough for a little barbecue, a cafe table, and maybe a chaise lounge. Dinette, ceiling fan number 2, shaker style walnut type wood cabinets, granite countertops, refrigerator included, stackable washer and dryer included. Another view of the dinette and the kitchen, and ceiling fan number 2, bamboo floors, large linen closet, shaker maple cabinets in the bathroom, tub, shower over tub, tile floors, spare bedroom, ceiling fan number 3, mirrored closet doors. There are the parking areas. There's plenty of parking in here. The larger bedroom, that is a large walk-in closet, and you see towards the left of the window is the designated parking carport, and then there are plenty of uncovered parking spots available. So one more view of the living room. Text me, call me, 408-829-4141, and we'll fill you in on the rest of the details. Bye for now.